Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with a flat, clean surface and a smoothed garment. This removes bulk and makes folds crisp. Lay the shirt face down, align seams and shoulders so edges match. Make a straight center fold from bottom to neck to have width, then fold each sleeve inward toward the center so the shirt forms a neat rectangle. Once done, press down along each fold to set creases. This gives the retail look and makes stacking uniform and stable. You now refine dimensions to match store sizing so pieces stack uniformly. Check the rectangle width against a mental or physical template and adjust sleeve or hem folds until edges are flush. For varying fabrics, use a quick palm press technique to smooth any wrinkles and ensure corners are sharp. More structured fabrics need firmer presses. Once adjusted, align shirts in a column, keeping fronts facing the same way so customers see the. You finish by stacking garments with the largest pieces at the bottom for stability and aligning front edges so the display looks intentional. Make small finger tucks at hems to maintain shape and correct any loose collars. These micro adjustments keep rows tidy. If you see bulging sides or uneven stacks, unfold to the problematic area and refold that section. Don't redo the whole piece. This targeted refold saves time and restores a crisp, retail-ready appearance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.